Hey guys, Steph here and welcome back to my bike shed here in not so sunny Bavaria. So the jobs I have to sort out is the tom-tom. I get rid of my BMW Sudnoff because we all know that it's really rubbish, so that will go. Lone Rider racks, I put them on the bike and they are ready to go. Bags, I do the final adjustment and put the quick release system on today. Over here I have to sort out my crash bars because I managed to drop the bike on a curb, so there's a lot of damage on the crash bars, so I'll show you later. Tires, I need new tires, so at the moment I'm on the Mitas and I think I will keep them because I mean it's my third set so far and I'm really happy with them. GoPro mount, I want to put a GoPro mount here on the front next to the Sudnoff. I will move that over so I have more room on it because I got the little DJI Action 2 and that will fit here absolutely fantastically, I think. And GFX, what I do is I will change the color of my bike because all black was a great idea, but I think out there on the internet it's gone to a stupid level and I don't want to be part of it. So what I do is I will change part of my bike over to a different color scheme. I already put it on to some forums just to get some feedback and I think I have a really good idea how it should look. So stay put for that. Then I have to sort out all my camping gear, but I'm not putting that on here because in about 3 weeks' time I will be on the road. That's seen some action in that bag, so it's better clean it up. So guys, that is it from me today. I didn't go into much detail how to convert the MotoBags to the new quick release system. There's an excellent video on the Lone Rider website made by Andy, so check this out. If you have any questions, get in touch with these guys. I'm very chuffed with it. Obviously, I managed to make my life so much harder with non-OEM racks. But we got there, everything fits perfect. I think it will be a great addition to my travels. Until next time, ride safe and stay safe. Bye. Time to go. Boom.